Hello friends, my name is Virginia and welcome to Desert View Studio. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Jenga block square crate. To complete this project, you will need a total of 48 Jenga blocks and 36 square cubes. In this project, I use brown Jenga blocks, which I sand them down like so. Step 1. Glue two blocks together in this direction. You will need a total of 16 sets altogether. Step 2. Glue two square cubes together and create 12 sets as you are seeing here. After the glue is completely dried, I paint all the square cubes in black. Here I'm creating the base. Glue all 4 blocks together like so. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you and welcome. And after that, you will glue a double cubes at all 4 corners like so. And this is what it look like. If you are return members, thank you so much for stopping by again. And after that, you will glue a single cube at 4 locations as you are seeing here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you very much. Next, I'm going to glue the second square. Glue one section at a time. And this is the completion of the square number 2. If you decide to leave the Jenga block in its natural colors or decided to paint, either way, both still look nice. Repeat the same steps until you complete all 4 squares. And here it is, the completion of the 4 square. This project is really easy to make. I hope you will give it a try. Here I'm creating the base. Glue 2 panels of 8 blocks together. Using the speckling to fill in the gaps is optional. Next, I will be gluing the base onto the crate. The crate can be using either way as a tabletop or to put something inside. And this is a closer look of the finished crate. On my channel, I have created a lot of projects using Jenga blocks. Please don't forget to go check them out on the playlist or in other my videos. This crate is multifunctional. You can store many of your art and craft supplies. It's not just limited to the flowers as you are seeing here. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.